Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Landbot to a website in 2026. If you want to add an interactive chatbot to your website for customer support or lead generation, this guide will help you set it up step by step. First, open your web browser and log in to your Landbot account. Next, select the chatbot you want to publish from your dashboard. Now make sure your chatbot is complete by testing the conversation flow and saving all your changes. Next, click the Publish button to open the publishing options. Now choose Website as the platform where you want to deploy your chatbot. Next, copy the embed code or installation script generated by Landbot. Now open your website editor or content management system and locate the section where you can add custom HTML or JavaScript. Next, paste the Landbot embed code into your website and save the changes. Now publish or update your website, then refresh the page to confirm that the chatbot appears correctly. Finally, test your chatbot by sending a few messages to make sure everything is working as expected. And that's it. You've successfully connected Landbot to your website. Your chatbot is now live and ready to engage visitors automatically. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.